My life is fucking miserable. I fucking hate my life so fucking much. Every day, it's wake up, eat, sleep, shit, eat, sleep, shit, eat, sleep, shit, play game, eat, sleep, shit. It's the same fucking thing every fucking day. And I can't handle it anymore. I can't! Look at me in the eyes. I said, look at me. Why? Why do I do this to myself? Why do I have to suffer? Why? Why? Look at me. I wear white and black because that's my emotions. I'm always white a little bit and then I'm black. But I'll always be black. And I know that analogy does not make sense, but if you think about it, it does. I will always be black. Ah! Angry! I'm still so young. I have a life to live. People to fuck. Oh, I'll blur that out. It's my number. My God. Look at me! Look into me. Look into my soul. I'm gonna fucking type an email.